Alright you guys, so today we're gonna look at this mechanical keyboard from not a really common brand, even though I think I might be kinda excited about it because it looked pretty decent to me. It's Akko, has this little skull kitty with headphones, I don't know, as a brand logo, and let's hop right in here and check that out. So here is that beauty packaged just like every big brand these days. We have a little print on here, even on the packaging, and let's pull that out. And here we are. This is the keyboard. It's a tiny keyboard, as you can see. Nice white caps. And then up here there should be our cables. Let's check that really quick. Oh wow, there's extra keys as well. What else do we have? Some extra keycaps, switches, more caps. Okay, cool. And what else? We can remove keys with this. Okay. More to remove keys. Okay. And this is what I was looking for. Oh my gosh, there's more keys. Oh, you can add blue keys if you wanted to. Okay, that's an option to customize, I guess. Okay. There's also like kitty paws, some flowers. Okay. So, yeah, that's a way to do it. You can actually buy whatever you want. There's also the brand logo. I'm gonna stick with white though. Even later on, I would rather have white. Yeah, and let's see. As you can see, this is the American layout. Our keys are gray switches. Got a nice sound here, which you don't hear because I muted it. But anyway, all in all, pretty compact keyboard. Saves room, which is great. Feels good on typing. Yep, nothing to complain here. And I wanna see, that's the font for you, but I wanna see the RGB effect for sure. But yeah, it feels decent, feels comfortable. The only thing you have to keep in mind is you are leaking numbers on the right side. Got some anti. We can't move the board easily, anti-slippery feet, different height adjustments, all that. So that's cool. That's good. Yeah, and I would say we try and connect that thing in a second and check out what it looks like when it's turned on. So let's turn that on. Here's the RGB effect. This is like the rainbow. Looks pretty good to me. I don't know why the Y is flashing like that. It's interesting to see. Can't decide whether it wants to be blue or green, I guess. And let's see, there should be an option. Okay, this is the brightness that we can adjust. How do we change effects? Or is there only one effect here? Okay, nope. Okay, what did I do now? Okay, brightness. It keeps going for the brightness. Up there's more effects. Nice. Ooh, okay. This one looks fancy, if you ask me. Then we got this one. Okay, I have to like cover it a little bit, like a breathing-ish, kinda. I turned off the light so you can see it better. But this one is impressive. It looks cool. There's way too much going on for me. Okay, there's a lot of effects. Not gonna lie here. Just gonna rush through them. Okay, it looks like we discovered. No, wait, did we see this one? What is going on? Okay, well, it's like a burst. It rushes to the middle and bursts into parts. And then this one is just a normal ripple effect as when you hit a button. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, this one is impressive. This one is way too much again. Holy schmoly. There's a lot going on this keyboard, not gonna lie. So, I think we just, oh wow, okay, it's a huge ripple effect here. This is just one just lighting up every time you touch it, okay. Then change to different colors while you are using it. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, I think I'm getting what's happening. Okay, this is just running through. And then we are back to our main one. This one is just Russian. Oof, no. Oh no. This is way too much for me. Well, at least for my opinion. Maybe you like it, but yeah, you get an idea of the keyboard. I'm gonna get over it. We saw a lot of effects here, and I will call it a day. And I'm Badger, and I'm out. And I will see you in the next one.